So guys, apart from fraction, we have another way to represent a part of a whole thing, which is known as decimal. So what is a decimal? A decimal is a number consisting of two parts which are separated by a point. Now, what are those two parts? So the parts are whole number and then the point. Then the other part is fractional part. Now, for example, for instance, you have 5.6. So here in this case, 5, this is the whole number because it is before the decimal, it is the whole number. And then this 6, this now is the fractional part of our decimal number, the fractional part. Now, examples of decimal numbers are 13.35, and then this also you read as 0.123, and the last you read as 2.08. Now, the decimal places. What are the decimal places? So, decimal places are all digits which are after the decimal point. These are all digits which are after the decimal point. For example, in 0.5, we have one digit which is after the decimal point. And this digit is 5. So in this case, we say we have one decimal place because we have only one number after the decimal place, the decimal point. Now the value is 10. So you say just 5/10. Also in 0.23, we have two digits which are after the decimal point. The two digits are 2 and 3. Now we say we have two decimal places because we have two digits after the decimal point. Now the value is hundredths. You can write as 23/100 because we have two decimal places after the decimal. Now there's something to note. If you have one place value, that means it is 10th, so it has a value of 10. If it is two decimal places, it has a value of 100. If it is three decimal places, it has a value of 1000. Now consider an example. Example 1. Convert into fractions the following decimal numbers. A 0.001, B 5.431, convert into fraction. Also C, it is 81.23. Now starting with A, solution, write 0.001. So we write as 1 and then over 1000. So it is 1 over 1000 because we have three decimal places. And then B 5.431. This can be written as the whole number, we write it as it is, and then the fractional part, we write it is 431, then divide by 1000 because we have three decimal places. And then C 81.23. So the whole number is 81, write 81, and then the fractional part is 23/100 because we have two decimal places.